guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a review on a ring light. And when I say we, me and Mr. Cosmo are. So he loves ring lights and he loves all the attention and he knows he's going to be famous one of these days. So let's go ahead and get started. And I'm going to tell you, I've done YouTube for 4 years. It is hard. It's hard to find the right lighting. It's hard to find anything that works. But today I'm here to find a great solution for you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so this is the ring light that I was telling you about. It is made by Geekoto and it's a ring light with a stand, so that's definitely a plus. I know the studio lights I had purchased in the past from different companies, they did come with stands, but you know, other ring lights really don't come with the stands. They just have the ring light themselves and you're kind of doing without unless you can make it work somehow. So as you can see, we have like pamphlets and other different types of accessories that go with this particular light. But yeah, so just take a look at this kind of stuff if you happen to purchase one of these. Alright, so right here on the top number you just now saw a percentage, and that was at 92%, and that's the brightness of the light. Also underneath that number we have the color temperature, and that can go up to about 5600 Kelvin. So yeah, you can just use the knob and kind of adjust it to what you want it to be. But I prefer cool tones over warmer tones. I just think that looks better on the settings on my thumbnails and just my overall video. So this is just open for your options, and that's it. So yeah, you can adjust this by one little knob, and you just press the color button to switch to regulate the color, and it adjusts the brightness and the color for you. And here are some examples of what it really looks like once you actually do that. So if you're wondering what these little areas are that are empty, that's actually for a battery source. You can actually power this particular ring light on a battery source or actually have it plugged in. So those are two options right there. So depending on how you want to film, some people film with their phones, other people film with GoPros and different kinds of stuff like that. I just actually had my camera on a tripod, so I didn't need these type of accessories at the moment, but these are some great options as well. Alright guys, so that's the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Also stay tuned for the very end of it. I'm going to show you a little bit about my Amazon experience of actually purchasing this, and that was a very pleasant experience. But if you are interested in starting stuff like this, I highly suggest getting something similar to this. They have other products as well, but this one in general, this ring light, I'll leave in the description box where you guys can find it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for the end. Alright guys, what I was telling you before is here are the websites on Amazon that I actually purchased the ring light from. And it tells you a little bit more in detail what it does and the actual in detail features. So I definitely highly suggest checking this out if you are interested. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and comment down below what you'd like to see in the next video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks, bye.